Sign Plus is a battery-powered surgical power tool system used in all bone-shaping procedures in orthopedics and traumatology surgeries. Powered by our exclusive brushless motor and driver technology, Sign Plus delivers efficiency with less energy consumption and minimal heat. With 21 Newton meters of reaming torque by powerful inside motor, the surgeon can easily complete challenging acetabular reaming operations. Smart soft start and soft stop features enhance control and extend device life. The nanoelectronic driver withstands 180 degrees Celsius and offers a sensitive trigger with 1,500 precision steps for unmatched accuracy. Built with high corrosion-resistant aluminum, Sign Plus handpieces offer superior durability against heat and chemicals. Ergonomic design minimizes fatigue during extended use, while the saw head adjusts to 8 positions for enhanced versatility. With an IPX6 water protection rating and high-quality sealing elements, Sign Plus can be safely washed in automatic machines, enhancing hygiene and minimizing direct contact for cleaning personnel. Sign Plus, your reliable and powerful supporter in every procedure. Before inserting all adapters, the left-right key must be switched to safe mode in the center. By pulling the latch on the modular handpiece head, the drilling adapter is inserted into its place and is locked in place with a small rotational movement. Drill bits up to 8 millimeters can be inserted into the drill adapter and tightened with a key of chuck. You can then set the direction as you need and precisely adjust the speed from the trigger. When you insert the drill adapter to the modular handpiece, you will have high speed for all drilling operations. When you want to remove the adapter, first switch the device to safe mode. Then pull the latch on the head and remove it easily. To insert the reamer adapter, first set the device to safe mode and insert it into the modular handpiece using the latch. Once the reamer adapter is inserted into the modular handpiece, you will have a torque of 21 Newton meters and you will be able to perform challenging reaming operations with ease. To remove the adapter, switch the device back to safe mode and remove it with the latch. Wire and pin drivers are inserted into the modular handpiece in the same way. The modular handpiece is cannulated in 4.2 millimeters. It allows you to easily drive wires and pins from 0.5 to 4.0 millimeters thickness. The wire passes through the cannula and is held by the lever near the trigger. The wire or pin coming out of the adapter must be kept short to prevent increased oscillation. When a wire or pin driver is inserted into the modular handpiece, you will have high speed. In the process of inserting a saw blade to the saw handpiece, the device is first switched to safe mode. Then, by pressing the button under the cutting head, the blade lock mechanism is opened. The saw blade is inserted to the back of the head, and the locking mechanism is released. Then the key is switched from safe mode to right or left position, and the saw handpiece is operated by pressing the trigger. To move the cutting head to a different angle, first switch the device to safe mode, then pull the head out of the handpiece and rotate it. Switch the device to safe mode for the reciprocating saw blade to be inserted into the handpiece. Rotate the locking mechanism in the direction shown. Insert the saw blade into place and release the mechanism. Then the key is switched from safe mode to right or left position, and the reciprocating saw handpiece is operated by pressing the trigger. To insert the non-sterile battery into the sterile device, the sterile person first opens the battery cover as shown. Then the sterile person places the installation guide on the battery housing. The non-sterile person carefully places the non-sterile battery into the device through the guide and takes the installation guide. Then the sterile person closes the cover without touching the battery. In this way, the device will be ready for use.